Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your profile's visibility on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Tap on the settings option in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. Then tap on profile visibility, which is the second section. Here you can choose from three options. Standard, meaning that employers can view your profile and CV and can contact you directly or via the Seek with the job opportunities. Or there is the limited option, meaning that employers can also view your profile but not your CV and can only contact you via Seek. And you can also select the last option, hidden, meaning that employers cannot view your profile or your resumes or contact you with job opportunities. So tap on the relevant one and click on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen. So your profile visibility has been limited. Feel free to edit it anytime by coming back to this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.